What is English breakfast tea? A comprehensive guide. English breakfast tea is a beloved classic in the world of tea, renowned for its bold flavor and invigorating qualities. It has been a staple in British culture for centuries and is now enjoyed by tea enthusiasts worldwide. This guide explores everything you need to know about English breakfast tea, including its history, ingredients, preparation, health benefits, and tips for enjoying it to the fullest. Whether you're a tea novice or a seasoned drinker, understanding the nuances of this popular beverage will enrich your tea experience. What is English breakfast tea? English breakfast tea is a traditional black tea blend known for its robust, full-bodied flavor. It typically combines black teas from different regions, including Assam, India, Ceylon, Sri Lanka, and Kenya. The blend is designed to pair well with a hearty breakfast, hence its name, but its rich flavor makes it a versatile choice for any time of day. This tea is often served with milk and sugar, though it can also be enjoyed plain. Its malty, slightly smoky, and brisk profile makes it a comforting and energizing drink, ideal for starting the day on the right note. The origins of English breakfast tea. The origins of English breakfast tea are somewhat contested, with multiple accounts attributing its creation to different figures and regions. 1. British roots. Some believe it originated in Scotland during the 19th century, when tea merchants sought a strong blend that could complement traditional English and Scottish breakfasts. 2. American influence. Another theory credits its invention to an American tea merchant, Richard Davies, who popularized the blend in the United States in the mid-1800s. 3. Colonial ties. The blend's key components, Assam, Ceylon, and Kenyan teas, reflect Britain's colonial history, as these regions were major tea producers for the British Empire. What does English breakfast tea taste like? The flavor profile of English breakfast tea is bold and malty, thanks to the Assam tea in the blend. Bright and citrusy. Notes from Ceylon tea add a refreshing quality. Smooth and full-bodied. Kenyan tea often contributes a rich depth. The combination results in a balanced cup with enough strength to hold up to milk and sugar without losing its character. How to brew the perfect cup of English breakfast tea. To fully enjoy English breakfast tea, proper preparation is essential. Follow these steps for the best results. Ingredients. 1 teaspoon loose-leaf USDA Premium Organic Brook and Barrel English Breakfast Tea. 8 ounces of freshly boiled distilled water. It is critical to the flavor of the tea to use good water. Cream and sugar, optional. Instructions. Step 1. Heat the water. Use freshly drawn water and bring it to a rolling boil, around 212 degrees Fahrenheit or 100 degrees Celsius. Step 2. Add the tea. Place the tea leaves or bag in your teapot or cup. Step 3. Steep. Pour hot water over the tea and steep for 3 to 5 minutes, depending on your preferred strength. And finally, step 4. Strain and serve. If using loose leaves, strain the tea into a cup. Add milk and sugar to taste. Here are some pro tips for making the recipe work best. Tip 1. Use filtered distilled water for the best flavor. Even when using premium tea leaves, the taste of the tea can be ruined by using bad water, like tap water, which can contain metals that alter the tea's sweet flavor. Tip 2. Don't oversteep. It can make the tea bitter. Tip 3. Experiment with milk or cream alternatives like oat or almond milk for a modern twist. Health benefits of English breakfast tea. Beyond its delightful flavor, English breakfast tea offers several health benefits. Here are 3 of the best overall. Benefit 1. Rich in antioxidants. Black tea contains polyphenol, which help combat oxidative stress and may reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Benefit 2. Improves focus. Its moderate caffeine content provides a gentle energy boost without the jitters of coffee. Benefit 3. Supports heart health. Studies suggest that regular consumption of black tea may lower blood pressure and improve cardiovascular health. Those are just a few of the many, many health benefits of drinking tea. Why is it called English breakfast tea? The name English breakfast might be misleading because the blend itself isn't exclusive to England, nor is it necessarily consumed only at breakfast. However, The term emphasizes its compatibility with traditional British morning meals, such as bacon, eggs, and toast. Over time, the name became synonymous with a strong, invigorating tea. Where to buy the best English breakfast tea? When shopping for English breakfast tea, consider these 3 tips. Tip 1. Loose leaf versus bags. Loose leaf tea generally offers superior flavor compared to tea bags. Tip 2. Quality brands. Look for reputable brands with focus on farm-to-table methods such as Twinings, Brook and Barrel, or Yorkshire tea. Tip 3. Organic options. Organic blends like Brook and Barrel ensure no harmful pesticides or chemicals are used. For a good tea experience, it is never recommended to purchase tea bags. Final thoughts. English breakfast tea is more than just a beverage. It's a cultural icon and a timeless comfort. Its rich history, bold flavor, and numerous health benefits make it a favorite for millions around the world. Whether you're starting your morning or winding down with a soothing cup, English breakfast tea offers a moment of indulgence and tradition. For similar content, please like and subscribe to our channel. This message has been brought to you by Brook and Barrel Farms. Live long, my friend.